Greetings, everybody, my brothers, my sisters, anywhere on the day, greetings. The spots again on our little idea and solution talk. And we'll continue upon the Father them again. This is episode 2. So, me, so what me have to say about them and me throw out some ideas and a little bit of solution in episode 1. I'm going to continue the same thing in episode 2. And as much as me they go after them rough, me also they touch up the mothers them too. So this is what me not understand with some of them women here. So you have one pitney for one man, and you find out say him not the father figure, and him is definitely not a daddy figure. So in a work out, so no broke up, and you go on so till you find one man, another one. And before you try to find out about the man, the next thing you do, or the first thing you do, you end up having our next pitney. So there it is. You have one next pitney for one next man. And guess what you find out? He man no father figure and he man no daddy figure. He man no nothing. So you and him broke up. So you have 2 pitney now. So what you do? Try with one next one. If you have more pitney, the galan so. And you now get better. You still find the same kind of man them. Because for some reason you must be attracted to them the kind of, that's why you pick them up. So what happened? You know, have 2 pitney and maybe try again, and who knows? You end up with one where he is some kind of father but not a daddy. Him now come round, and every now and then he may give one little money for the pitney. Pitney never see him find them born. And you have to constantly they dump on him to get little help. And one day he just get vexed and say, where you bother him for? Where you bother him for things for? What happened to you other pitney them poopa? But you they ask them for money, go and go beg them, left me alone. Come on, man. Come on. Think about yourself. As a woman, think about yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of your own interests. Not just grown they have the pity them for them a dirty man. Yeah? You know if you do that. Because clearly you see say them a man they don't have no respect. None whatsoever. They don't have it for themselves. And clearly they don't have none for them pitney. And you have to respect yourself too. Some of them are father have son were then a whole heap of problem. And them can't call them for say, hey, me here say they do so and so. Nobody do no more that, man. Tap that. Them can't do it because guess what? Them in a this said nastiness with their son. They fire a gun. Them a gunman themselves, so the boy them learn from it. So them can't do it. Them can't call them son. And it is so damn shameful. All you no do, they pan road they look young girl. Pay a young girl for do whatever you no want them for do too no. While you no son them out there, he need a help. They beg for little help. And you no can't do it. Some of them never finish school. Never even finish school. That's why them end up turn gunman. Because you never did it for them. Never. Just take no money for give young girl. While you no pitney them. They suffer. Then they suffer. 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 damn shame about to know they lick chest and they show off much people no have. Boss, that not real. That are just sperm. Sperm they walk around fatherless, daddyless. Because what? We don't have no role in them life. You know, me need to make you know say, when you get up and they lick on your chest, and as me say, you they show off about the fatherless sperm one who have out a road. Listen to me, boss. You not get no button or reward. You not get it because you wasn't a daddy. You wasn't a dad, you wasn't a daddy. So you not get no button and you not get no reward. There is nothing to prove. As a matter of fact, there is something to prove. Yeah, something is there to prove. You know what it is? It just proves you know a deadbeat pooper. Deadbeat pooper. That's it. And who not like it too bad because who know say who know a deadbeat pooper. Now who know a night father, a night man. Shame pan all of who know. The whole of who know disgust me. I feel like me want vomit when me think about it because who know play no role or a good role in the pitney them life. Nothing, who not contribute nothing. It's been a long time and it don't look like it change. For the longest time, no man they behave them the way they. No come up and suffer because no papa and end there me think we went better off. Some man who no rise to the occasion and say no papa and end there, but no set to yourself good. But instead of no turn around and look about for no picnic, no gone back to no father dirty behavior. So no change. I mean, there are some good men out there. There are some good fathers and good dads. But it's very limited. It is very limited. When you think of the ratio of children to the dads, it's limited. We need no man. We need enough to step up. Step up for the children. The children them need to know. The mothers them can't do no more. Them they do enough. They are worn out. Them worn out. Them become so angry. Them tired. Them a do everything. Everything. Them have to help them pick me with the homework. Them have to go to the school, go meet the teacher. Them a do everything. Them feel sick. Them still have to go to work. Them still have to take care of the picnic. Them still have to get going. So what for no role, boss? What for no role? You no tell me. Please tell me. What for no role? What the role you they play? Because I'm yet to see it. Me know for a fact that 95% of them boy where you see the fire gun, what say them a gangster. Them never had a dad. Them never had a dad. Them just have a father or had a father. And the only reason why some of them have a father is because their mama give them the name. Because some of them never really see them yet. Some of them go down see some man they walk down the road and say, right, that's what that man that's what me look like him. I wonder if I'm my father. But them now go ask. Because it's a shameful situation, that very shameful. So fathers, we don't need to step up. Because all of these things what these guys going through, it depends on your shoulder. It depends on your shoulder. We're not guilty of not being there for them to help them through their younger days when they were little kids. And this is the result of what them turn into. God bless the one them will come out good. But who know? Create the problem. I mean, they put it at 90% of the time where all of them are boy. Ina, uno kuna we make it better, but uno never did it. And yet, uno still out there. They make more pitney. Uno never did it for them. And uno still out there they try to make more pitney. Why? Uno can't rein the one them in what uno have. Uno can't discipline them. Uno don't know them, yet uno how they still they make more, they make more. Why bother, boss? Why bother? And all of these women, all of one woman, what take it so easy. And they say, me love him, me love him, me really love him. And me have some children for him. Really? You have some children for him? Really? Well, when him a only father, just father, sperm that is, not a dad. So there is no more night father. There is more night father than dad. Yeah, man. More night father than dad. Shameful. Disgusting. We need to rise above that. We need to rise above it. Long time we have struggled with this. We need to get over that by now. We're too civilized for that. We're too civilized for this. In a situation we done with Aya. The girls, them also need them dad. Them need them dad. Them need them dad, man. We don't need to step up to the plate. Be both father for your sons and father for your daughter. Because the way how some of them are little school girl they go on, the behavior what them have, if you know when they about, it wouldn't be like that. And if you know when they even come at the yard and say, boy, me and the woman know but me pity them is the most important thing, and you constantly have a rapport with them, things would have better. But no, you don't not do that because you don't care. You don't just drop off some sperm and that is all. You know, think you're responsible for nothing else. You check out the pity them. While live with both mother and daddy. Remember now, mother and daddy. Them have more discipline. And you can compare it with the pity them while live with a mother and a father. Because it is still a difference there. The father may only did it because he don't have nowhere to go sleep. Because he don't have no room nowhere else. He don't have no, he just there in sleep. So he did this, so he did this. So he pen 1 week at this house and 1 week at the other house and so he galan. So him is just a father. Him don't know nothing about love. He don't know nothing about caring about the pitney. Him just did it because in the look somewhere for sleep. So him a father. Compare him with a daddy. So a mother and a father, and a mother and a daddy, completely different. There is more discipline, more love, more togetherness, more respect with the ones that are mother and daddy. The discipline and the respect show up so much that you can't even see how them they deal with them peers, them teachers, or just about anybody them come across. Because them grew up well with a lot of respect and stuff like that. So you miss a man, you miss a night man, father, look for yourself. Check it out. Check it out, Mr. Man. And tell me if you don't see the difference. Say you a night man and father. Check it out. I want to come back and tell me. Because maybe we not go check it out. Because you don't really know the difference and it don't make you feel shame. But all you need to do, tell me what you say about that is wrong. And what part you play in that. And if you feel like you should have do better. Because a whole pound can do better than one they do. We're better. Stop having these pitney who no one. Who no look after them. And when we no get whole, me tell them, say enough you look after who. So nobody sit down there they wait. Say it don't happen, then don't look after who. It not go happen. It not go happen. No, sit down wait. You sit down there wait or you have 20 picnic and at least 1 or 2 of them may come through for you. No, none come through for you. So, me they talk to all of the young guys then who plan to have picnic. Think thoroughly. Think thoroughly. Ask yourself if you want to be a father, you want to be a dad, or you just want to be a night man. Ask yourself them the question there. Ask yourself. Choose. Choose. And tell the woman them before. So them not have to go through them a dilemma because of them always they end up with the pitney them. And woman, who no ask the man them if them a father type, daddy type, or the night man type. Because you know say, are the daddy type you need. You don't need no more night man in your life. And you don't need no father. Because if a that you dey look, father, you can always go to the sperm bank. And frankly, you'll be way better off. Because you would know who are the pooper. Because you make that a choice and decision to do that. But when you know who are the pooper and the pooper not help, you not help no one talk. Him know and you know so you give yourself to that man there and have him pitney. And he no help, then please, what is sense? Does that make sense to you? No, it does not. No make no sense. All it is shameful and low. You have to do something about it. Because make sure if you plan for the picnic then, plan properly. It will help. It will cut down on the crime. And not just get up there with one man because you don't want to have picnic. If him see it fit for there with you, figure your picnic if see it fit fi married to you and wanna go live in a one house because there is nothing else him can do better than wine do than make one pitney with you and yet he no want day with you. He can't say me no like her bullshit. So why you go there go dig down the woman body for? Why you go there go do that for? And when a woman me say uno fi look out for yourself. Uno fi do that. And me hope say uno fathers are night man. Whatever uno see uno self as. Anyway uno there. Whether uno in a uno taxi, uno there with uno friend they listen. Me hope uno can get sitting out of this and make some change. And let me tell you something. Remember this. You're only young for a short time, but you're old for a very long time. Okay? And woman, lock up on your leg. When you see them a dirty man, they come lock up on your leg. Miss Pat, they tell no lock on your leg. Because they don't mean no good. They don't mean themselves no good. Neither do they mean the children any good. No more this lifestyle. You don't know if you accept it. When they come tell them say, no, you not accommodate that the kind of lifestyle. No make them have fun. No fun time. Tell them to go find other means and ways. Because them always they come for fun time. And the fun time turn out in a picnic. Picnic what them no want and what them no want look after. And if them no want bag it up, you have to protect for yourself. So lock your damn leg. That is it. And who no man bag it up. Now remember me giving you the idea and solution. Bag it up. Or check your dresser. Look for the lotion. That's it. Look for the lotion. Because we can't continue this. Lock up on your leg, woman. Miss Pat, they tell you that. Lock up your leg. So, uno man. Uno no good man. The dirty one them. Or a father. A night man. Now think me done with you know. Me not done with you. Me they come back after uno. Yeah man, me they come back again. And me they come back rough. But in the meantime, uno just go on with them at 2 episodes there. This is the final episode. And what is the difference between a father and a daddy? So uno go and walk good. Take care of yourself. The Spats will catching up on another talk. The Spats out.